Okay. All revise. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, okay, let me mute. I will ask one by one some question. After I will give the link. I will send the link. Okay. Hari Govind, did you study ekvajan or bahuvajan? आपने पढ़ा? एकवचन.
Yes.
I will ask some question. Can you say? तितली
Yes.
बहुवचन क्या है? तितली बहुवचन रूप क्या है? हरि गोविंद.
तितलियाँ.
Okay. बच्चा बहुवचन रूप?
बच्चे.
बेटा.
बेटे.
लड़की.
लड़कियाँ.
लड़कियां. Very good, Hari Govind. Okay. Now, Rachel Mary, unmute. Rachel Mary, unmute. Rachel, unmute. Okay.
Ma'am.
Rachel, can you say लड़का बहुवचन रूप क्या है? लड़का. बहुवचन रूप हमने पढ़ा लास्ट क्लास में. लड़का बहुवचन रूप क्या है? लड़का इसका बहुवचन रूप. लड़का. क्रिस्टीना बताओ लड़का बहुवचन रूप. रेचल डिड नॉट स्टडी और एनी कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम. लड़के. आंख. आंख बहुवचन रूप क्या है?
आंखें.
आंखें. ओके. किताब.
किताबें.
नदी.
नदियाँ.
नदियां. वेरी गुड. ओके, वेरी गुड. नाउ सचिन मोहम्मद इज देयर. कैन यू से गुब्बारा बहुवचन रूप क्या है? सचिन, अनम्यूट.
गुब्बारे.
सचिन, डिड यू अनम्यूट?
गुब्बारे.
ओके ओके. गुब्बारा, गुब्बारे. पुस्तक.
पुस्तकें.
पुस्तकें. चिड़िया. चिड़िया. चिड़ियाम. चिड़ियाम. नॉट चिड़िए. चिड़ियाम.
चिड़िया.
चिड़िया. चिड़िया. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Vaiga, after I told you to study सर्वनाम. क्या है सर्वनाम? सर्वनाम का इंग्लिश वर्ड क्या है वाइगा? जिसको हम
Pronoun.
आपने कुछ प्रोनाउन पढ़ा था ना? कौन कौन सा प्रोनाउन पढ़ा आपने? Which all pronoun you studied? कौन कौन सा है प्रोनाउन? Which all pronoun we learn in the last class? What is the word of I? I. क्या है हिंदी वर्ड I?
आम.
I आम. I का हिंदी वर्ड आम है. I हिंदी वर्ड हमने सीखा. I हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? ऐश्वर्या. I का हिंदी वर्ड मैम. Did you hear? मैं लड़की हूँ. माया मैं गर्ल. I told am is a helping verb. Hey, hey, ho, and all we studied it is helping verb. It is not a sarvanam. Okay. When we will use may, it will be adding with the that helping verb. Okay. Hey. Okay. May whom, hum hai. Like okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That is helping verb only. Okay. Sarvanam means may or you. Sarvanam क्या है? Vaiga, can you say you? We learn 3 words for you. किसी दूसरे व्यक्तियों के लिए हम यूज करते हैं you. क्या है हिंदी में? कौन कौन सा वर्ड है?
ऐश्वर्या can.
No, ऐश्वर्या. One chance you get. No. Now please be quiet. अश्वति बताओ कौन कौन सा वर्ड है?
तुम.
तुम. और भी है?
आप.
With respect we are using
मैम आप.
आप. तू तुम आप. Okay. तू आ, तुम आओ, आप आइए. These 3 words we can use for you. तू तुम आप. We are using always आप. Okay. I told with respect आप. तू और तुम आप. These 3 words we can use for you. Okay. Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Now Bhumi, can you say what is the word for we? We. Bhumi, can you say we? Bhumi, unmute. Did you study that? I told you to write and study that. Bhumi, unmute. Unmute. क्या है? We.
Ma'am.
क्या है? We हिंदी word we. We are boys. We are children. कैसे बताएंगे? हम, वेरी गुड। हम लड़के हैं, हम बच्चे हैं। ओके, हम बच्चे हैं, वी आर चिल्ड्रन। हम लड़के हैं, वी आर बॉयज। हम लड़कियां हैं, वी आर गर्ल्स। ओके, हम मीन्स वी। ओके, मैम इसका प्लूरल है हम। तू, तुम, आप मीन्स यू। ओके, और वो, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग सर? वो पंखा है, वो सेरा अनम्यूट वो means what is the meaning? What you learn? Dara, Sarah cannot unmute. वो means क्या है? Dara, वो Aditi
Ma'am,
can say.
Aishwarya can.
That वो
That
means
he, she, it.
that he she it वो. I told which thing is far from us. हमसे दूर जो चीजें हैं उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? वो that वो. Okay, what is the word? वो. इसका प्लूरल क्या है अमित? वो का प्लूरल क्या है? We can use they or those. What is that word? वो प्लूरल. वो का प्लूरल anybody know? वो प्लूरल क्या है? वह का प्लूरल. वह means that. What is the word for those? They. Those and they. Did you study it? Those and they. Devananda, can you say those and they? Which word we can use for those and they?
Sunday.
हाँ, which word? अश्वति बताओ. Those and they means क्या है?
Ma'am,
हाँ.
those and they. Wah.
वह means that और he she it का प्लूरल फॉर्म हमने पढ़ा. वह का प्लूरल क्या है? वह का प्लूरल
वे.
हाँ वे. वह का प्लूरल है वे.
वे.
हाँ वह वे. देखो वह इसका प्लूरल है वे. When anything is far from us, that time only we are using this that. This those they. Okay. They, and this is he she it also we can use she it. Okay, which thing is far from us? If anything is near to us, for that we are using which word? Yah.
Yes.
मेरे पास देखा है. It's near to me. But one book. Okay, तो मैं क्या कैसे कहेंगे? ये किताब है. This is a book. यह किताब है. यह कलम है. This is a pen. यह पेंसिल है. This is a pencil. Okay, और the thing is apart from me, then I will say वो पंगा है. That is a pen. वो. Okay, तो यह means nearest thing. Okay, यह इसका मतलब क्या है? This he she it. Okay, he she it. Standing our near we can say he is a boy. Okay, this is a boy or he is a boy. और ये इसका प्लूरल क्या है? ये इसका मतलब है these and they.
These and they.
Okay, understood? हम means क्या है? हम we. क्या है? we. Name means क्या है? Name I. Name you. तुम तू तुम आप also we can use. Okay, understood children? Study.
Yes, ma'am.
This you study. And after that we learned संख्या. This is सर्वनाम. This all क्या है? सर्वनाम शब्द है. Now it is संख्या.
सर्वनाम शब्द.
संख्या means क्या है? Noun. Naming words. Okay, naming words. संख्या naming words. Which all name? किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान या भाव के नाम. किसी व्यक्ति means person. Okay. वस्तु means क्या है? Anything. स्थान means क्या है? Any place name. Okay. So I will give some questions here. No need to write. You can say that. वस्तुओं के नाम, व्यक्तियों के नाम, किसी स्थानों के नाम, भाव, our expression, feelings. Okay.
प्राणियों के नाम.
क्या है? प्राणियों के नाम, सब्जियों के नाम, naming words. Which all name is there that we can say noun. Okay. Okay. So here I will write some word here. Pad, tu, shamu. I will give the chance to say the answer. Okay. Padshala, javo, fool, hum. Third one, kitab, देखो, gajar, main. Okay. Now, Savio Mabin is there. Savio, we told now it is Sankhya means naming words. You have to circle that Sankhya shabd. Sankhya means kya hai? Noun, naming words. Okay. Now I will read and give the question. Unmute, Savio. Unmute. I will read and give the word. Pad, tu, shamu. The first one. Pad, tu, shamu. Can you say the naming word? Which is the naming word in that? Sankhya shabd kaun sa hai? Sabio, unmute. Very good. Very good, Bandhan. Batao, Savio, unmute. Unmute. I will help. We can do more practice. You cannot unmute. What happens, Savio? Let me check Evelyn. Evelyn, unmute. There is no any problem. If you don't know the answer, you are saying you cannot unmute. Evelyn can unmute. Then no problem, Savio. Simply you told. Batao. Evelyn, what is a Sankhya, noun, naming words? You have to find tu, pad, tu, shamu. Which is the naming word in this? Naming word, nam.
Jamu.
Very good. Okay, only one is enough. Shamu. Ramu, no, it is shamu. Very good.
Jamu.
Other one is verb, another one is, this is verb. Okay. Pad, study. Tu means kya hai? You. That is a sarvana. Then shamu only the noun. Okay. Very good. Now Ivan, Anthony. The second question. Padshala, javo, fool, hum. Can you say which is naming word, Ivan? Other all please mute. Tell me.
Padala.
Very good. Padshala. एक place का नाम है. Padshala. Padshala means स्थान. Okay. Okay. The next one more is there. Fool. Very good. Very good, Ivan. Fool. Very good. Both words are what? Both words are Padshala or fool. Very good. Now Nihara, unmute. Nihara. Nihara, unmute and say Kitab, Deko, Gajar or Main. Which is the noun?
Kitab.
Very good. Kitab, book. एक वस्तु का नाम है किताब. देखो, गाजर and main. Can you say?
Gajar.
Very good. Gajar. It is a सब्जियों के ना एक वेजिटेबल का नाम है. तो गाजर और किताब is a noun. Okay. Understood, children? This is the way you have to do. Rajan, क्या हो रहा है उधर? Okay. Understood? Shamu is a person's name. पाठशाला एक जगह है जहां हम पढ़ने आते हैं, तो पाठशाला स्थान का नाम है. फूल एक वस्तु का नाम है. किताब एक वस्तु का नाम है. गाजर एक सब्जी का नाम है. ये सब नेमिंग वर्ड्स है. ओके, इसलिए इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? संख्या कहते हैं. Understood, children? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now I think everybody completed. Are you ready for writing one revision test? Let me try. I will send. You should try it. Okay. You will get to the link. Okay. Now listen. All should open your chat box. Please open your chat box. Listen, children, I will make you to unmute now, but you cannot unmute. You should sit and do. If you did not get the link or you have any doubt only, you can unmute and ask. Okay. Now I send the link. Please check it. I'm going to make you to unmute. Please mute it. When you have any doubt only, you can unmute. I will read and give the questions.
Yes, excuse me, ma'am.
क्या है?
Ma'am, 5 minutes after you will tell questions.
Need to read and give?
Yeah.
Yeah, that I will. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Tell me.
No, don't read the question.
Why?
We have to learn and read on our own.
मैंने समझा नहीं क्या है बताओ एक और बार tell me once again what you told.
We have to read on and study reading our own.
You have to read your own. Okay, then do. Okay, no problem for me. You do.
Ma'am. Ma'am, first question.
This is the condition. Some are asking. That's why I told I will read. Somebody is asking.
Ma'am.
Can you read? Try to read. First question. Bahuvajan रूप लिखो. Titli. Read and write.
Ma'am. I get the link, but it's not coming. Ma'am, please read the first question.
1 minute. One minute.
Ma'am, first question what?
Wait. I will read and give. Let me take the questions. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Bahuvajan रूप लिखो. The first question is Bahuvajan रूप लिखो. Titli Bahuvajan रूप. Titliyam, titliyom. Find the correct answer. Okay. All should read it and find the correct answer. Don't say the answer. You should write. Okay. No need to say any answer. Why this Deva Krishna is entering now?
Ma'am, can you read question number 7?
1 minute. Let me.
Question number 2. Ma'am, question number 2.
Wait. Bacha. 1 minute. Because of some are entering, I have to close this. Okay, question number 1 is Italy. Bacha Bahuvajan रूप. Okay, children try to read yourself. Okay, bacha, bacche, bachom, baje. Which is the correct answer? Do.
7th question. 7.
Wait. I'm reading.
Ma'am, I am reading.
Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Mute your audio. All. Ank Bahuvajan रूप. Anko, Ange. Which is the correct answer?
Ma'am, can you read the last? Ange.
Ladki Bahuvajan. Ladke, ladkiyam, ladko. Which is correct?
Ladkiyam.
Don't say the answer. Who is that? Mute your audio.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you read third question?
Children, I'm reading every question. Please listen. Okay, don't ask in between. Ank, anko, or anke. Don't call. I am reading all the questions. Please wait. Ladki, ladke, ladkiyam, ladko. Ladki Bahuvajan रूप. Hindi शब्द लिखो. Write the Hindi word of we. Mem, tum, hum. Mem, tum, hum. इस mem से we, which is the correct.
Ma'am.
Who is that in between?
Ma'am, fifth question what?
I did not reading. Hindi शब्द लिखो. We. Write the Hindi word of we. Mem, tum, hum.
Ma'am, I did not get. Ma'am.
Those who did not get the link, I will send it in the class group. Okay, wait. The next question, 6th question. That Hindi word. Ya, wa, tum. Which is the correct word. Don't say answers, I told. You should read and you should select. Okay? No need to say any answer. If it is your answer is correct or wrong, you cannot say that. That Hindi word, yah, wah or tum, which is the correct word, you find it. Seventh question. Pura karo. Complete.
Finish 5 out 8.
Please don't say the mark. Those who get the mark, please keep quiet. I told
I
you.
got 6 out of 8.
Who is that? I can read your mark. Please, children, keep quiet. Let others to complete. Okay. I'm getting your mark. Wait. Pura karo. Dash bacche hai. Tum, hum, main. Dash bacche hai. Bacche means children. You have to find tum, hum, main, which is the correct answer. Question number 8. Dash ladka hum. Dash ladka hum. आप में दे. आप में दे. Please be quiet, those who completed. No need to say any answer, I told. That's why I make you to mute. If I make you to unmute, you will give the answers. Simply saying the answer. I can read your score. No need to say the score also. Okay, children, I will read. Those who get less mark, I will ask now. Please be quiet, all. Mute your audio. Those who did not mute it.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is that? Don't leave after the class. You cannot leave now. Who is that? Please mute and talk.
That is Rajan Krishna.
Rajan, please mute your audio. Preet, Harigovind, Dhananjay, Vaiga, Christina completed, Darin completed, Bhumi, Nihara, Sarah did not study. Okay, Agnel, Baiju, Malavika also have to listen. Write and study the spelling. No, Suhim, Ashwati, Ivan, Adi, Divile, Dhara, Aishwarya, Rajan Krishna, and Sachin. These all students completed. What about others? Children, those who did not done, I will send the link through your class group. Okay, you can do that. Those who did not done. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, who told they are leaving? Who get full mark? 8 out of 8. Please raise your hand.
Adit.
I told raise your hand, not your name. No need to say your name. Please raise your hand. Aishwarya, Evelyn, Adit, Christina. What about Bhumi, Agnel and all? Now, okay, very good, good children. Okay, those who get full mark, they are trying to study. They are study the meaning and spellings. That's why. Agnivesh did not get the mark. Did you get full mark? Listen the spelling, okay? Dhananjay, I saw the mark. Please write and study your that Bahuvajan double. Okay, titli, titliyam. Kaise likhenge titliyam? I told E will change it to Iyam. Bacha, A will change it to A. Those who did not get the link, please raise your hand. Those who did not get the link. Those who attended, some children's cameras are off, maybe some technical issues or some. I will send it in the class group, okay? Okay, so those who get good mark, very good, well done. Keep it up, okay, children. And the next class, I will take the next chapter test and I will add these questions also, grammar question also, because grammar, some are not studying properly. I told you last class, write and study, I say Hindi to English words. Are you completed? Are you studied? Those who studied, they are getting good mark. Okay. And what about others? All should read and study, write and study the spelling. Okay. Titliyam kaise likhenge, chidiya kaise likhenge. Okay. Now we have revision work. The next chapter, R and A. Okay. Please open your rough book, everyone. Open your rough book. Okay. We are going to write that word. उसके पहले I will show you these words. Which one you are making wrong? The most of the children are making wrong. This chidiya. We studied this chidiya. It will become chidiyam. There is no any change. Here we can add only am, chidiyam, because chidiya is already choti ki matra. There we don't want to make any change again. Chidiya. You should write and study this. Chidiya, chidiyam. Gudiya also the same way. Gudiya. Write it. Gudiya, gudiyam, gudiyam. But when we are writing nadi, nadi, it will change to nadi. It is ending with badi iki matra. Did you see nadi? क्या है कैसे लिखेंगे नदी? It is e नदी. तो हम उसे कैसे लिखेंगे? नदी, नदियाम. It will change to like nadiyam, diyam. It will become short nadiyam, nadiyam. This is the way all should listen and do. The spellings you made it wrong. That's why I make you to write again. Here chidiyam, here only this one is changed. But here nadi, this e will change it to iyam. You have to listen, and when you are finding, you should listen the read the option properly and write the answer. Okay? Nadi, nadiyam. Devananda, unmute. Nadi, nadiyam.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you read this? Chidiya, chidiyam.
Yeah. Chidiya, chidiya.
Gudiya,
Gudiya, gudiya.
nadi.
Nadiya.
Please check the spelling. Okay, nadi. It is changing to nadiyam. Nadiyam.
Ma'am, I lost 1 mark.
Because of spelling mistake, no?
In the 7th question, I wrote a wrong.
Wrong. You are selecting wrong answer. That means you have to study the spelling again. Okay. Okay. Now after that, we are going to start the revision. Chapter number 10. Okay. Riki matra. Riki matra. Write it this 3 times. After we can start Riki matra chapter revision. Riki matra. पेज नंबर 28 में ऋ की मात्रा हमने पढ़ा है मृग. क्या है मृग? Who is मृग? Here. Krishak. Write and study this word. Now it is 3 times. After the class, you have to write and study 5 times. Okay, 3 times.
This mृग, dear, that's actually.
Right. Farmer. Krishak, farmer. Hriday. कैसे लिखेंगे हृदय? This is the way we are writing हृदय. खा के अंदर र की मात्रा हृदय. Heart. Heart. हृदय. देखो ख्र कैसे लिखेंगे? ध्यान से देखकर लिखो. र की मात्रा will come here. ख्र. Did you see? हृदय. ऐसे लिखेंगे हम हृदय. हृदय. Listen and write the spelling. हृदय. Hriday.
Mrg.
Preet, can you read this word? Preet, Ramesh is there. Dhananjay, unmute Dhananjay. Read the word mrig. Can you read Dhananjay? Read.
Mrg, deer. Deer.
Not others. I'm asking to Dhananjay. Dhananjay, what happened in your video? Why it is off? Read mrig.
Mrg, deer.
Is it Dhananjay is reading? Who is reading? 1 minute. Amna, unmute Amna. Unmute Dhananjay's sound. I did not hear. Let me check. Read mrig. Kya hai mrig means? Amna, read the word mrig.
Deer.
Dear. Krishak. Pado, read the word Krishak. Krishak means who? Amna.
Farmer.
read. Next word क्या है? What happened, Amna? Rubika, unmute and read. Rubika, unmute and read. Nrib, Rubika, King, Grih, house. Grih, house. Rubika, read the word. Which all word we learn with R ki matra? Start from here. 1. Mm. 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 Trin, na, trin, grass. King. Last word क्या है? गृह. क्या है गृह means? House. गृह means house. Okay. गृह house. Amit, unmute and read. Amit, unmute and read.
Mrig, deer. Krishak, farmer.
1 minute. Read. Okay. Children, our time up. Can you read fast? Read.
Yes.
Read then. Who is reading? Jaldi jaldi padho. Deva Krishna, read. Read.
Ma'am. Trin, grass. Nrib. Nrib, king.
Rib, king. Last one. This one.
House.
Grih means क्या है? House. Okay. Children, now in the next class I will conduct the revision test for this whole chapter. That day we can revise chapter number 11 also. Anybody can read this R ki matra sentence. Nribban gaya. Adit Krishna, unmute and read. Nribban gaya. Please read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read. Hari Govind, don't do like that. Keep it up.
Nribban gaya. Dekha. Mrig, trin, nrib trin ka, rehaga. नृब बाण चलाया.
नृब बाण चलाया.
मृग डर गया.
डर गया. Very good. Rubika, read. जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ो. The next chapter also you have to revise chapter number which one? 11. Okay. And I told study which all. Rubika did not see page number 28. Please read and complete page number 28. Amit, did you get the page? Read. Jaldi jaldi padho. Trin खा रहा था. रिब बाण चलाया. मृग डर गया. मृग डर गया. Children, read and study part 10 and 11. The next class you have to learn that Bahuvajan Rup also. Those who made the mistake in the exam revision test all should try to study again that without spelling mistake. You have to write. All should study the spelling. Okay, which one? Ekvajan or Bahuvajan, main, tum, hum, and all that words. And this chapter, Eki Matra, we will revise in the class itself. You should study and come Riki Matra. Okay, read and study Riki Matra words. Okay, the next class I will take one more revision test Wednesday. Okay, okay, shall we wind up now? Those who did not get the link, I will send it in the class group. Please do it and complete. Okay, bye. Dhanyavad. Bye.